Hi everyone, today I'm going to be talking to you about Hoopla. Hoopla is another service that we have that you can check out audiobooks, ebooks, music, television shows, and movies. And we also have comic books, and right now they have homeschooling information. So to get started, you're going to come to our website, which is pulaskicounty.lib.in.us. And you're going to, this is our page, scroll down here to quick links and click on Hoopla. And if you don't already have an account, you'll just come down here to get started. And you'll need to do an email. So we are going to put in I'm going to use my library email here. Make sure you can spell. And it's going to ask for a password, and it needs to be a minimum of 8 characters. And those need to match. Okay, and then it's going to search by library. So our library pops up first. So you're going to click on that and go next. And then it's going to ask for your library card number. So once you put that in, once you put that in, it's going to ask you for preferences. It's what you like to read or watch, and you can change these later if you want, and we'll get into that. With Hoopla, you can check out 10 items per month. Books are checked out for 21 days. Movies and TV shows are 3 days, and music is 7 days. Right now, you get 2 bonus checkouts that don't count towards your 10 a month. This is for a limited time. Once you're signed in, you can browse. You can click up here for browse. There's audiobooks, movies, music, comics, ebooks, and television. Whatever you select is what is going to show up for you. So if you select ebooks and then come down here, there's recommended, featured, popular, and categories. If you want to browse, notice here, let's see. Whoops, browse ebooks. So I selected ebooks. You'll see that everything comes up with ebook under it. So that's all that's going to show up. You can just scroll through these if you want and see what they've got. These are popular right now. If you want, you can go to categories, and this will bring up all the different genres. If you want to select something in particular, you can always come up and search in the toolbar here, in the search bar here. So let's just pick fiction, and then it brings up subcategories. And let's see, let's find something humorous right now. So it brings up different books here that they've got. So this is, let's see, let's do separation anxiety, because I'm missing all the people that I work with. So we'll click on that, and you can see down here it says borrow. It gives you a little synopsis of the book. If you click borrow, it's going to tell you how long you have it for, and you can choose to borrow the title or cancel it. So let's go ahead and borrow it. And now it's in your queue. So if you want to search for another format, you can come back to browse and let's choose comics. And then they have the top categories. There's action adventure and they've got some bonus borrows right now. Media tie-in, superheroes, children, fantasy, and then there's all categories. So let's go to DC Comics. And what looks good? Let's do a detective comic. So same thing, you can click on borrow. We'll go ahead and borrow that. Okay, so now I should have in my currently borrowed, I've got a few things listed here. So if I want to go ahead and start reading this book, I'll come here and click on it, and you just click on this arrow over here on the side and that'll start flipping the pages. If you don't like the size of the font, all you have to do is come up here to where these T's are, and it'll give you a box where you can change different things on it. So there's a little sliding bar here. You slide over, it'll change your font size, and you can see it's getting bigger up there at the top. You can also change your line height. So if you want more spacing between your lines, you see how that's changing up there. You can also change your background. If you don't like reading on a white background, you can change that also. So you can change whatever you like there. And then you can just start reading. Once you have selected something, we're just going to close out of there. Let's just say that I've finished this book. Oops, let's go back. And you can return any item before the due date if you wish to. So if you've finished your book and you want to return it, you just click on it, and down here you'll see you can either resume reading the book or you can return it now. It tells you when it is due. If you decide that you want to change your preferences, you come over here to this gear icon, and it's got account, which is your account that you set up, your library, your recommendations. This is where you want to go to change whatever genres you've got. It's got audiobooks, movies, music, and you can just click on or off any of the items that are in there if you want to change those. Something else I want to show you is right here there is a kids tab. If let's go back to ebooks. If you click on the kids, go back to featured, click on the kids, then just kids items is going to show up there. This is just another way that your library is at home with you. If there's any questions that you have about this, you can always ask us on our Facebook page under this video. Otherwise, happy reading. Have a great day.